You can see from here that the packaging is actually very well protected by 3 boxes. So I believe Amazon provided at least one packaging over here, which is the big one. And let's do the unboxing. So over here, what we can see is actually the humidifier, as well as the menu and the remote control, as well as the cleaning brush. Over here, let's say if you do not want to use the remote control, you can always download the app to control the humidifier. So you can actually download based on the instruction over here to use the Tuya Smart app. Over here, there's actually 5 different parts to this. You can actually see the tank, which is a 8-liter tank, followed by the mist maker. For the mist maker itself, there is this water pump, and of course the switch itself. And actually behind this mist maker, there's this essential oil cartridge that you can actually put your essential oil behind. And this would actually be the mist guard bracket, followed by the top cover. So it's actually sets up like this. And this is actually behind here. So it's actually retractable. So this is actually the full setup with the water inside. I didn't fill it up to full, so I've connected to the app, but I'm just gonna use the knob to control and turn it on. One press, forgot. So you get to see the spray level, the humidity level that you want to set, and the timer. This is actually the current humidity, and okay, this is the current humidity, while the other one is the humidity that we can set. So let me press this, so you can see like the different setting. So once it's flashing, it shows how much. You can increase it to a maximum of 6. Timer as well. It's 1 hour up to 8 hours. So you can see the differences. This is how much humidity you want to set for auto and then adjusting. Yep. Actually see the blue light itself is actually the UV light.